Hello everyone. So I bought this 2011 Fiat Panda 1.2 petrol and it doesn't seem to start. I'm just trying to get it started, but it just won't start. As you can see, it's just cranking, but nothing's going on. It just won't start. Let's try it again. Right, so this car was involved in an accident, so there should be a fuel cutoff switch somewhere, and on this car that's located under the passenger seat right here, as you can see it. And if you press that in, you now should be able to get it running, and it's running just as it should. So if you get a Fiat Panda that has this issue, just try that first and you might get it going.